Here I have UMIDIGI A9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can manage its behavior, sounds and vibrations that will be allowed during the Do Not Disturb mode. It could be alarms, media sounds, touch sounds. You can also manage notifications. You can block sound notification, you can block visual notifications. You can also customize all these notifications for yourself. You can add exceptions for this mode. For example, it could be calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts, or from nobody. Here you can stare contacts. There's also an option allow repeat callers. The same goes to messages. Also, you can add reminders and events. You can also set default duration for this mode, and you can also set it to turn on automatically, which is basically just a schedule for this Do Not Disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.